Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your love read. Sagittarius, let's see how you're doing now, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings. Sagittarius will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright, Saggis, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Sagittarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, Sagittarius, newbies, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, your action cards, etc. But for the duration of the reading, Sagittarius, I'm going to be calling this side person A and this side person B. If this is your storyline, of course you'll know which side you're on, right? So here we go. Sagittarius, action card for person A and action card for person B. Bottom of my deck, well, I have the Emperor. Somebody wants to take control and charge and whatever, so now I have an Emperor as our overall energy, or on the other side, I have an Empress here, also in the upright. So this is going to be an interesting read. Let's see what's going on. So from what I feel here, Sagittarius, somebody here still does want to take action. They do want to take action, even though the King of Wands is looking the other way and this Empress is looking the other way. There is still a deep attraction towards each other. Person A doesn't want things to change. They don't want this connection to end. Person B definitely wants things to work out, even though maybe temporarily you guys are not seeing eye to eye or something like that. But I don't think this connection has ended as such. Okay, so before I clarify the rest of the cards, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Sagittarius and their person. One more. Sagittarius and their person. Alright. I'm going to take a few more Sagittarius from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Sagittarius and their person spirit. Okay, good to go, Saggis. Your first card here says, "You are the most beautiful creature I've ever seen. I can't wait to lay my head on your chest and listen to your heartbeat." Ooh. "Missing you so much. We truly did have something special. I act like I don't care, but deep down it affects me more than you'll ever know. I'm not sure if you love me for me or who you think I am." And the last one here, Saji says, "When you left me, I felt like it was because you did not think I was good enough." Alright, so Sagittarius, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first, as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Sagittarius. Blessing, guidance. You're a leader. Alright. Okay, so Sagittarius, whatever you're doing correct. Sagittarius, my angels are blessing you and saying, take the lead. You're a fire sign. I don't know which side you're on, but both sides seem equally good to me, since I have a King of Wands here, again a Sagittarius card, right? And the Empress on the other side. So, well, there is a possibility in, well, making things right. Take the lead. Okay. Now let's start with your reading. I'm going to start with the energies of my cards on my left side, Sagittarius, which is person A for me. Now you could be this side, you could be that side, that you would know. So person A, why the King of Wands? King of Wands. Well, they are wishing and hoping that they can take action. They do see person B as their wish come true. They are still holding on to the connection, maybe feeling a little, maybe they held back in the past, I don't know. They could have left person B out in the cold, or maybe now they're feeling that way, missing person B a lot, wishing and hoping that things don't change or haven't changed. Death in reverse, yes, they have been missing person B, I feel. They don't want to have any more sleepless nights, worried, wondering where person B is, what they're doing, and well, they don't want this connection to come to a complete ending. They still have a lot of passion for person B. They still, I don't know whether they want to commit or not commit. I don't know, maybe that's been the problem, because they have a lot of sexual attraction, I feel, for person B, and that's maybe part of the reason that they still want to keep up a connection with person B. Whatever said and done, they don't want to completely end this chapter with person B either. So, what happened, Spirit, with person A? What happened to you in the recent past that you're feeling this way? I think somebody made a decision to drop this connection. Maybe they were juggling, somebody was juggling, and they made a decision. Ooh. Okay, one more. They made a decision to maybe travel or go somewhere, or maybe this Empress walked away. I don't know. Yeah, this person A could have said something which was very harsh or rude or cutting, or been emotionally very closed off, and because of that, I think this Empress could have walked away from them. But now they are missing this Empress. They don't want to spend the rest of their life in regret and sorrow and guilt and remorse for the way they've behaved with person B. And they feel like, hey, whatever mind games I played with this Empress, I feel like a loser now because my Empress has walked away from me. Or maybe they walked away from the Empress, I don't know. But one thing is for sure, and they keep giving me this card again and again and again, they don't want this connection to end. Death in reverse. Okay, maybe at one point this King of Wands was very stubborn, or they had a fear of change, or they could have done or said something to self-sabotage this connection, and well, there was a separation here. So how do you feel about the connection now, person A? How do you feel about person B? They want the barriers to come down. The Nine of Wands in reverse. Yeah, they're feeling very disappointed. They feel, oh my God, so much time, effort, energy. What a waste, that we are now separated. They do want these barriers to come down between the two of you. And they do want this connection to get healed once again. They want to bring something back into balance. So if they're finding themselves stuck, or, I don't know. Why, Spirit? Why is the Judgment here? They want to come back. They feel, they probably feel they made a wrong judgment call or something. They want to come out of this stuck place now. They want to heal and balance this connection. Person A definitely still has romantic feelings. They do want to go back to person B, and they do want to express some emotions to person B. Okay, that's how they're feeling. So, what action they'll actually take, I'll open later. Sagittarius, let's go on to person B and see how they are feeling. So, person B, why do you feel the Three of Pentacles? Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles again. Alright, so what is that? Ooh, person B really does love person A. Person B really does love person A, and they do want to work things out with person A, I feel. Three of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles. This is like, they want like a good working connection relationship, or they do want to put in work in this connection, and they are actually willing to try again. But yeah, they want to try again. This person B is in love. Ace of Cups. They wouldn't mind a brand new beginning with person A again. They see themselves as the empress to the emperor. Empress, say something to us. Why do you feel this way? Say something. Person, person B says, I always wanted to be their empress. I always thought that we would be together forever, but they never offered me anything. They didn't offer me that brand new beginning, and they behaved in such a selfish manner. They they were very self-centered and selfish, and didn't take action to offer me anything that was stable and rooted. But I think person B did see themselves as an equal counterpart to person A. So what happened in the recent past, person B, that you feel this way? Hanged Man in reverse. One more. I think in the recent past, person A didn't want to get stuck in a connection, which probably devastated person B and left them feeling in the hermit mode, right? I don't think person B really fought or argued. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. But it left person B feeling totally abandoned and left by themselves, feeling devastated, but heart of heart still hoping and wishing that sooner or later, this emperor would come back. And yes, they were waiting for a message that, hey, can we start again? Can we begin again? I don't think that hope ever left person B. Yes, they were waiting for communication. They were waiting for communication all this while. So how do you feel about this connection now, person B? They see the Ten of Pentacles with person A even now. They want a happily ever after with person A even now. After whatever's happened, they just want this emperor to make a decision and a choice. Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. Yes, they're excited about having a brand new beginning with person A. They do want this fresh, brand new, exciting new beginning with person A even now. And Two of Swords in reverse. Two of Swords in reverse. They want things to be balanced now. Maybe in the past things were not, balanced. There was no justice in the way this connection was going. Maybe person A in the past was breadcrumbing them, or giving to more than one, or not, having an equal give and take in the past. But they do want somebody to make a choice here. Right? They do want this choice to be made to bring things back into harmony and balance. So now let's see what actions you guys are going to take. Person A, what action will you take now towards person B? Star in reverse. Why is that? They have regrets. They are very, very sorry. They have a lot of regrets. They feel they wasted so much time. They wasted so much time, and they're acknowledging that they went the wrong direction. Right? This person is very remorseful and regretful that they probably delayed making that choice for a happily ever after. Four of Wands, Ten of Cups. This is what was on the table all the while. Right? And they do want to heal things between the two of you, it seems. But why is the Star card in reverse then, Spirit? Why is the Star card in reverse? They feel quite hopeless because of the way they behaved, I think. they may have said or done certain things which they are not sure whether they can have their wishes come true now because of their past behavior. But now they do have regrets. They do have regrets. They do want to heal things. They do want, I think, to come forward, and they do see a long-term potential in this connection. Person B, what about you? I'm going to take a different deck for person B. Okay, sorry. Person B, what action can we expect from you? Ten of Swords in reverse. Why is that an action? Why is that an action, person B? Page of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. They want to heal this connection as well, I feel. They do want to heal this connection somehow, even if it means starting from scratch. This person's been waiting for a very long time. They've been waiting for a very long time, and when maybe this new start that they've been waiting for, let's start again, they feel person A is all their wishes come true. I think they're going to be ecstatic. They are just waiting for somebody to come and, start the healing process where all these swords can start sliding out of their back one by one, and they can go back into this feeling of happiness. So one more card for person B. Action from your end. Action from your end. They are wishing and praying as well. See, star. They are wishing for person A. They see person A as their dream come true, wish come true. Alright, so I think person A, take the lead. Take the lead and go towards person B because they are waiting. Alright, that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.